15 exciting DIY home decor ideas on a budget. Thinking of giving your home a makeover without spending too much? Whether you love DIY or you're just starting out, we've got something for you. Ever thought about adding your own special touch to your home? We're here to help with 15 easy and budget-friendly DIY ideas. Ready to make your home cozy and stylish without emptying your wallet? Let's dive in and discover simple ways to transform your space. 1. Statement wall art. Start with a bang by creating eye-catching wall art using inexpensive materials like cardboard, fabric scraps, or even old magazines. Arrange them in a visually appealing pattern to make a statement without spending a dime. Consider adding LED lights behind the artwork for a dramatic effect, creating a focal point that draws attention. Experiment with different shapes and sizes to create a dynamic and personalized wall display. 2. Upcycled furniture. Revamp old furniture with a fresh coat of paint or new hardware. You'll be surprised at how a simple update can breathe new life into a worn-out piece, making it a focal point in your room. Experiment with bold colors or create an ombre effect for a trendy and personalized touch. Don't shy away from mixing and matching styles to create a unique and eclectic look that reflects your personality. 3. Floating shelves from crates. Utilize old wooden crates to craft stylish floating shelves. Arrange them creatively on your walls to display books, plants, or decorative items, instantly adding character to your space. Paint the crates in coordinating colors or leave them in their natural state for a rustic and eclectic look. Enhance the visual appeal by adding small decorative items or plants to the shelves, creating a personalized and curated display. 4. DIY planters from mason jars. Transform ordinary mason jars into charming planters for your indoor garden. Paint them in vibrant colors or wrap them in twine for a rustic touch, bringing the outdoors inside. Hang the jars with twine for a suspended garden, or arrange them on a repurposed ladder for a vertical plant display. Consider grouping different sized jars together to create a visually interesting and lush green corner. Personalize the planters by painting them with chalkboard paint, allowing you to label each jar with the plant's name or a quirky message. 5. Personalized photo collage. Showcase your favorite memories by creating a personalized photo collage. Print out pictures in various sizes and arrange them on a blank wall for a unique and sentimental touch. Consider adding decorative frames or arranging the photos in a geometric pattern for added visual interest. Create a cohesive theme by using pictures from specific events or moments, turning your wall into a visual storytelling masterpiece. 6. Customized throw pillows. Give your living room a facelift by making your own throw pillow covers. Choose fabrics that complement your decor and experiment with different textures to add depth and coziness. Incorporate fabric paint or embroidery for a personalized touch that reflects your style. Mix and match patterns and colors to create a vibrant and inviting atmosphere in your living space. Create a cohesive look by coordinating the pillow covers with other elements in the room, such as curtains or area rugs. 7. Repurposed window frames. Salvage old window frames to create rustic wall decor. Attach mirrors or chalkboards for functionality, turning discarded items into charming focal points for any room. Paint the frames in distressed finishes for a shabby chic look, or leave them untreated for a natural vintage vibe. Enhance the charm by hanging small decorative items like vintage keys or dried flowers from the frames. Consider using the window frames as a backdrop for a decorative wreath or stringing fairy lights through the panes for added ambiance. 8. DIY wall clock. Turn an ordinary clock into a stylish timepiece with a touch of creativity. Paint or add decorative elements to the clock face, making it a functional piece of art for your wall. Consider using unconventional materials like vinyl records or repurposed wood for a unique and eclectic design. Experiment with different clock hand styles and sizes to create a customized timekeeping focal point. Add a personal touch by choosing a theme for the clock, such as a world map or celestial patterns to tie into the overall aesthetic of your space. 9. Fabric-covered lampshades. Give plain lampshades a makeover by covering them with fabric that suits your style. This simple DIY project instantly adds warmth and personality to your lighting fixtures. Experiment with different patterns and textures to create a cohesive look that ties into your overall decor theme. Consider using adhesive or fabric glue to attach decorative elements like beads or fringe for an extra touch of flair. 10. Corkboard wall organizer. Stay organized with a corkboard wall organizer. Frame cork sheets and hang them on your wall to create a stylish command center for notes, schedules, and photos. Enhance the functionality by incorporating hooks or small shelves for additional storage space. Paint the corkboard frame in a coordinating color or use washi tape to add a pop of pattern, turning organization into a visually appealing part of your decor. 11. Hand-painted accent furniture. Elevate the look of your furniture by hand-painting accent designs. Whether it's geometric patterns, florals, or abstract art, this budget-friendly technique can revitalize any piece. Consider stencils or decals for a professional-looking finish, transforming your furniture into conversation starters. Experiment with contrasting colors or metallic paints to create a bold and eye-catching design. 12. Rope-wrapped home accessories. Add a touch of coastal charm by wrapping rope around everyday items like vases, candle holders, or trays. This easy DIY project brings a nautical vibe to your decor. Experiment with different knotting techniques and rope thickness for varying textures and styles. Consider using colored or patterned rope for a modern twist on this classic DIY project. Personalize the rope-wrapped items by attaching small charms or beads for an extra touch of detail. 13. Vintage book plant. Stand. Stack vintage books to create a unique plant stand. This budget-friendly solution adds height and interest to your indoor greenery, turning old books into a decorative element. Arrange the books in different sizes and colors for a visually appealing display. 14. Paper wall flowers. Craft oversized paper flowers to adorn your walls. Play with different colors and sizes to create a stunning focal point that adds a whimsical and romantic atmosphere to any room. Consider using various paper textures for a multi-dimensional effect, making your flower wall truly captivating. Experiment with different flower shapes and layering techniques to create a dynamic and visually striking display. 15. DIY macrame wall hanging. Embrace the bohemian trend by making your own macrame wall hanging. All you need is some rope and a bit of patience to create a stunning piece of art that adds texture and warmth to your space. Experiment with different knotting patterns and incorporate beads or feathers for an extra boho touch. Consider choosing a neutral or bold-colored rope to complement your existing decor, making your macrame creation a standout feature in any room. Conclusion: making your home look amazing without spending too much is not just possible but also lots of fun. These 15 easy DIY home decor ideas show that with a bit of creativity, you can make a big difference in your living space. So, get ready, gather your crafty stuff, and let your creativity flow. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome DIY tips. Thanks for being part of our journey to a stylish and personal home on a budget.